Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. It's an important update and it's kind of surprise also. Kerala state, which is closed state, and only Kerala domicile candidates or candidates who have done their MBBS from Kerala are uh, authorized or eligible to register for Kerala state NEET PG counseling. So they have published the notification and the registration window is open in order to register for Kerala uh, state registration for counseling for NEET PG 2022. So you have to reach to www.cee.kerala.gov.in and you can see on the top as on date 9th of August 2022 PG Medical 2022. So you need to click on it and then it will take you to the next step. Okay, where you will find the last date is 20th of August, and these are the 5 steps. First you need to do registration, then you have to fill the application basic details, and you need to pay the uh, counseling charges and uploading images and certificate. Then you have to download the acknowledgement page. So if you are not registered, then you have to click on, if you are new user, so click on registration, and then it will tell you what are the steps you need to follow. So basically you need to keep date of birth certificate ready and your email id, which you should not change later, like mobile number where you will be getting otp in case you have forgotten the password in future, and date of birth which should match with the date of birth certificate, and the name should be also be matching with the supporting documents. Then you have to fill the application basic details and address, your academics details, MBBS details, and the reservation criteria. All such things will be filled out here, and then you have to pay the publication fee. You can pay either through online mode or using a bank e-challan. Okay, uh, then you have to upload the documents. Okay, you need to upload the documents for your signature. Okay, PDF format of date of birth and nativity proof. Since you belong to Kerala, then you have to upload a nativity proof as well, and other supporting documents for kind of different reservations. Okay, in state of Kerala there are different reservation which is not applicable at the national level. Okay, and your annual family income will be asked to be uploaded, and original of all the documents you should have it with you. Okay, when they need from you to verify the documents, and you have to print the acknowledgement. So that's how you have to proceed, and you need to check all the things before you proceed. So as of sudden, which was not expected, last year states like Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu, they had started the registration before all India. This year Pondicherry already completed the registration, now Kerala state. So we can expect some more states starting the registration in the coming time. Okay, so if you have any problem regarding this, you can call me, and you can also call us to avail our paid counseling guidance, and you can send us WhatsApp message on 9391 9319 128677 number. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.